Hey guys, welcome to Doggy Programmer. This is the first part of our Python series of tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll see how we can download Python and a text editor, which is called PyCharm, to write our Python code. So first we need to go to any web browser to download Python. Search for Python download, or you can also go to the website python.org, this website, directly to download. So Python is a programming language which is used in machine learning, in data science, and web development, and many more. So depending on your operating system and the version you want, you need to download a specific version you want. So in this case, I'll be downloading the latest version of Python. So click on the download latest version. Then this type of page appears. In this page, you'll get files for specific platforms. For example, this is for Windows and this is for Mac. And when we're talking about the Windows, we have this 32-bit and the 64-bit. Then if your system is, for example, let's go to this PC, right click and properties, and you'll get this type of thing, system type 64-bit. Now this is 64-bit system, so in a 64-bit system, this is what you need to choose. Now you click this. If you're choosing a Mac, this one, and if it's a Linux, choose the other ones. So I will be canceling this because I've already downloaded it. Now after the download finishes, this type of executable file appears. Then click this. I have already installed it, so I'll just show you the steps. This is the exact step you will have. So mark this, and don't forget to add Python to the environment variables, then install, then finished. If Python is not integrated into your environment variables, you can't access it globally. So to do that, manually just search for Python. This is the installed what we have installed. So this is our go to program files, then just copy this, the path, and go to environment variables, then the path. You just need to paste this, but as I have marked the add Python to the environment variables, it's right over here, so we don't need to worry about it right now. If we want to check if Python is installed or not, we just need to type Python. Then you can see the version of Python, and you can even write Python code right over here. For example, 4 plus 4 is 8. You can also give a variable called name to Dagi. Now maybe print name. So you can write Python code. So I'll just close this. Now I'll be downloading PyCharm. So search for download PyCharm. Then click on the first link from jetbrains.com. So this series of tutorial takes you from 0 to hero Python developer, and we'll have another series of tutorials on frameworks of Python, Django, and Flask. So check them out. Now the same is true for this too. You need to choose your specific operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'll be downloading the community version because it's free, and the download has started. It's around 377 megabytes, so I'll be canceling this. I've already downloaded it, so this type of file will be downloaded. Then click next. Choose a location you want to install on, so next. Create a desktop shortcut, why not? Then this thing, you need to add the bin folder to the environment variables, the path. Okay, I'm going to select it. Just select everything, then next. Install. So the PyCharm is installing. Now we use PyCharm to write our code. We can use Visual Studio Code to write our code, and it's your choice to choose. So for example, we might want to use VS Code or PyCharm. For this tutorial, we'll be seeing PyCharm. In the next couple of tutorials, we'll be dealing with more advanced topics of Python, and we'll see what variables are, inputs are, and more things. So to completely finish the installation, you need to reboot, but for now I want to reboot manually later, so finish. Let's open PyCharm now. Okay, so new project, just hello world project. Then this is your first Python program. So come here, or you can also clear all things over here. Then just print hello. Don't forget to make quotations. You can use single quotes or double quotes. Hello world. Save. Then run. You can see hello world is working. So in the next tutorials, we'll be seeing more advanced topics of Python. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.